Hi there! For today's small crochet project, I wanted to show you how to make this cute little bow. So if you think you'll enjoy this video, make sure to subscribe. Let's get started. Okay, so to start this cute little bow, you will need some yarn. I'm using this brand right here. I just found that in my local craft store. It's super fine and it's cotton mercerized. And some ribbon, which I also found at my local craft store, and some hairpins that can also be found at your local craft store. I have also seen them on Amazon, if that helps. So first thing is, we're gonna grab our yarn, do a slip knot, insert your hook, and now you're gonna do 12 chains. By the way, this is my 3.5 millimeter hook. Okay, I have done my 12 chains. Now I'm going to go back with a single crochet on the second chain from the hook. Okay, I have reached the other side. This is how it's looking. And now you're gonna just chain one and turn around with one single crochet on each stitch. So I have 2 rows here, as you can see, and I'm just gonna continue doing more rows. So chain one and turn around, just one single crochet on each, and you're gonna do this until you have 10 rows in total. Okay, I have done my 10 rows, and now I'm just gonna chain one and I'm gonna do a single crochet all around. So just start doing single crochets wherever you see a space here on the side. And on the very corner, you're gonna do 2 single crochets there, just to turn the corner right there. And just keep doing your single crochets. So keep doing this until you reach here where you started. So I finished my single crochets all around. By the way, I hit my tail with my single crochet. Just have a little bit there sticking out. That's fine. Now I'm gonna slip stitch on that first single crochet and chain one. Easy as that. Now we're gonna do the middle part. So when we do this, that's how we hold it together. Okay, so to start the middle part, again I'm gonna do a slip knot. I'm gonna chain 4, and I'm gonna do single crochets on the second chain from the hook, so it's gonna be 3 in total. So just keep doing this until this part covers your bow. So chain 1 and turn around and do this a few more times. So I'm gonna keep doing this and I'll tell you how many rows I did. Okay, so I have finished this middle part right here. I did 10 rows. I'm just gonna chain 1. I already cut my yarn, so leave a pretty long tail and just pull it up. Okay, like that. Now you're gonna take your main bow And you're gonna put a string around it because it makes it easier for you to put this later, the middle part. So I'm gonna take, I don't know, maybe 5 inches. You're gonna fold it like this. And put the string like that. And just do a knot. Okay, just like that. It's looking pretty nice. I'm gonna cut a little bit of these tails. And now I'm gonna take this middle part. I'm gonna undo this last chain. Insert my hook. And just put it around the bow. Okay, and you're gonna insert your hook in that corner right there. Grab the yarn and do a slip stitch. So pull it tight. Okay, now go into this side and the other side. And again, slip stitch. And this side and the other side. And slip stitch. And one final stitch. And slip stitch. Now chain 1 and just pull it up. And there you have it. This tail, you can hide it with a needle through there. Okay, our bow is ready to be put on the hair clip. So I'm gonna take my hot glue gun and I'm gonna turn the hair clip around, put a little bit there. Okay, put the ribbon like that, turn it around, put a little bit here on the hair clip, not too much. Okay, I like to put a little bit there just to be extra secure. I like to use my hook to put it there. And a little bit here on the back. I'm gonna cut off, leaving a little bit of excess. And just a dot right there. Fold it. My camera just cut off my video, but basically that last part I just folded it again with a little bit of hot glue, and that's it. So now I'm gonna take my bow. Okay, make sure it's like you want it. And I'm just gonna put the glue right there. Make sure it's in the middle. And just press it down. And there you have it. It's all done. You can make it in any color you want. But that's pretty much it. I think it turned out pretty cute. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy making this cute little bow with me. Remember, if you enjoy my content, make sure to turn on those notifications and don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one.